Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make small pieces of the acrylic. We're going to make beautiful flowers out of it. So make multiple cuts and we're going to make curves on the edges. Now color it. We're going to paint it red and paste all of them on the sheet of paper. Now roll a clay and put it at the center, and look, your flowers are ready. You can also draw leaves, and look, it is ready. You can paste this paper cup at last. We're going to make small pieces of this ladyfinger. We are making beautiful flowers by stamping it on the paper like this. You can use different colors, and look, your flowers are ready. At last, draw their leaves and put this paper cup and it's ready. Cut this spoon cabbage or Chinese cabbage. Now we are going to put paint on it and stamp it on the paper, and look how pretty these flowers are looking. Then draw its leaves using green color, and then it is ready. We are also going to paste this paper cup, and look, it is ready. Cut this small piece of transparent sheet and put color on one side and stamp it on the paper, and look at the beautiful flowers. We're going to make bunch of flowers here. So draw its leaves using green color and put this paper cup, and look, it's done. Make small clay balls and spread it like this on the sheet of paper and make a beautiful flower. Put yellow clay at the center, and look at the beautiful flowers. We are going to make bunch of flowers. Draw their leaves and it's ready. Take a straw and make multiple cuts on it like this. Now spread it, and we are going to dab it on the color, and look at the beautiful flowers. We are also going to make the leaves of the bunch of flowers. Put paper cup, and look, your drawing is ready. Cover this tape using this bubble wrap and paint it and stamp it on the paper. We are going to make a beautiful sunflower. We are making the petals using this leaf, and look, it is ready. Cut the celery and put paint on it and stamp it on the paper. You'll get beautiful flowers. Make these bunch of flowers. Draw its leaves. You're making the flower pot using paper cup. Paste all of them together and it's ready. Cover this bottle cap and put paint on it and dab it on the sheet of paper. We are going to make bunch of flowers here. Add more details using sketch pens, and we are making a bouquet like this. Paste a bow, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.